Alessia Russo is an English professional footballer. She plays as a forward for Women's Super League club Arsenal and the England national team. On 31st May 2023, Russo was named to the squad for the 2023 FIFA Women's World Cup in July 2023. Russo scored England's winning goal in a 2-1 quarter-final win against Colombia. In the World Cup semi-final, Russo scored England's third goal in a 3-1 win against Australia as England reached the World Cup final for the first time. In June 2022, Russo was included in Sarina Wiegman's England squad for UEFA Women's Euro 2022. She appeared in all 6 games, all as a substitute, during the campaign as England won the Euros for the first time. She ended the tournament with 4 goals, the fourth an audacious back heel between the legs of Sweden keeper Hedvig Lendl in the semi-final. This total placed her third highest behind her teammate Beth Mead and Germany's Alexandra Popp. Her goal against Sweden was awarded Goal of the Tournament by UEFA and was later nominated for the 2022 FIFA Puskas Award. Russo began playing football at a young age in a family of athletes. Her father played non-league football for Metropolitan Police FC and is their record goal scorer. Her middle brother Giorgio has played non-league football for various teams, including Ramsgate. Her other brother Luca represented England in track and field at the under-20 level. On 4 July 2023, it was announced that Russo had signed for Arsenal on a free transfer. Russo has represented England on the under-15, under-17 and under-19, under-20 and under-21 national teams. She also played in under-16 matches, captaining this side for a game in November 2014. In October 2015, she scored 5 goals against Croatia during a 13-0 2016 UEFA Women's Under-17 Championship qualification win before scoring a hat-trick against Estonia in the following game. Russo finished joint top scorer in qualifying with 9 goals and then again at 2016 UEFA Women's Under-17 Championship, scoring 5 goals including a brace against Germany in a 4-3 semi-final defeat as England finished third. She competed at the 2016 FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup in Jordan and was part of the squad that finished third at the 2018 FIFA Under-20 Women's World Cup. On 30 November 2021, she scored her first international goals, a hat-trick in a national record 20-0 victory over Latvia during 2023 World Cup qualifying. Timed at 11 minutes, the hat-trick was the fastest by any England player in history. On 10 September 2020, Russo signed a 2-year contract with the option for a 3rd year with Manchester United, the club she grew up supporting. She made her debut 3 days later as a half-time substitute in a 5-2 league victory over Birmingham City, registering an assist. On 5 March 2023, Russo scored her first hat-trick in Manchester United's 5-1 victory over Leicester City in the WSL to extend Manchester United's lead at the top of the Women's Super League.